Hi everybody, it's Manal from Miniscraft Boutique. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, I am going to share the cards that I used to make when I started card making. I was just going through my old stuff and when I was sorting out my cupboard and came across these cards which were all packed up inside a box and were just put in a corner in a cupboard because when I shifted the home I did not get a chance to just dig into some of the boxes and see what the stuff was lying inside. Just ignore the voice. The kids are playing outside in the street. Okay, so these are all the cards which I used to make in the start, and this is a pretty big box in which they are all kept. And I just want to open this up, and this is giving me a nice idea to make a box. So I might try some of the projects, or I might visit some of these projects and give you the tutorial for these cards. So this one was a birthday card. It's actually a step card with an, you can say, a matching envelope. This one was a simple one. I think I created these for Valentine's, maybe. I can't even recall when did I create these cards. This one is made with quilling. You can see that this is not finished, or the finishing is not so well because I was just a beginner at that time. This one is just with an abstract art and coloring. You can see the markers, and this was a special card sheet. This is not the simple card stock, it's a special card sheet because you can see it catches light. You can see the glare on it. This one is another one, and I really like the colors of this one. The red color is really popping up on the yellow. This one was a card in an envelope, and I think, yes, this was for Valentine. Yes, I thank my lucky stars for you. I love you. Yes, this was for Valentine, I think. And this is a very cool idea to gift somebody. They make great thank you gifts for your guests on any occasion. You can just place it on the dinner table, or you can leave these on the pillows of your guests when they arrive at your place. So it gives a really, really warm feeling to anybody who is seeing you or is at your place. This one again is an example of the quilling card. You can see that I've created petals and I have centered it with a red circular quilt part. This one is pretty simple. I just cut out some stars and pasted. Oh no, it's a pop-up card actually. So it's been so long that I can't even recall. This was simple. I think that was my first try on a pop-up card, and I was really happy with the result at that time. This one is a simple one with some golden embossing on a hot pink cardstock. Yes, it was made for Eid as well. So you can see how beautiful is this pattern on the card. This one, these ones I think I made for Father's Day. Yes, I think these ones were made for Father's Day. Okay, so this one is having a lot of glitter inside. Again, a card for Valentine's. You can see it is just shaking inside. Okay, so these are again a lot of cards. I like this card a lot, really, because it's simple. The colors are just subtle, but this pool green color, you can say, is really popping up. This one is a simple birthday card, yellow and pink combination, and I have just used a twine to add a little bit of detail. This one again is for Valentine's. Love you so much. Again, I think I created all these cards near Valentine, and you can see that this part has been embossed with a folder. You can see, pretty. This is again a birthday card. Wow. So this is the technique, which is that embossed resist technique. This one turned out pretty cool as well. This one was the pull and slide card. Wow. I didn't know that I had a lot of cards lying in my pile. And this one is a 3x3 card. I thank my lucky stars for you. This one again is Hate embossed in silver this time, and I have used vellum for this, and I backed it up on the silver cardstock. If you can see, there's a tiny slither of the silver mirror peeking out from the border over here. Okay, so these were the envelopes. Yes, I created these envelopes with my hand, and I used to create a lot of colors then. So I hope that you have liked my today's collection of cards, and the purpose of sharing these is that no matter wherever you start from, it's the growth and the progress that matters. If I am going through my projects which I used to make earlier when I started off with crafting and card making, and employed different techniques in my work, today if I see my work, I can compare that, I can just see that how much I have grown in terms of my work, in terms of my thinking, in terms of my management. So the main the main purpose to share this video is to just take a step and start working on it, rather than just sit behind on a sofa and keep thinking. Quality and finishing comes with time, and you can obviously see and compare yourself as well, that where was my work and now where do I stand, alhamdulillah. So I hope that these projects of mine have inspired you to take that step and just jump onto the card making. I'll be back with another fun video very soon. I am thinking to redo some of these cards and give the tutorials on my channel. So stay tuned for more exciting and amazing stuff. Till then, bye.